love practicing yoga before gardening because it helps warm up the body and the mind to prepare for a meditative gardening experience. So I like to do a few sun series to salute the sun, since we're planting plants that require full sunlight. So it starts in mountain pose. Inhale as you reach the hands out and up, salute the sun. And exhale, fold, honor the earth. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale to halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands to heart. And I just do 2 more like that. So it's a nice way to warm up, mentally prepare for gardening, or a nice way to unwind after gardening and salute the sun, for it's the sunlight that's going to nourish the plants and help them grow.